Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to effectively deposit funds in Bybit. So basically, you just have to create or need to have your account here in Bybit. Once you have logged in, you have to go to My Deposits and you have to click this fiat deposit, or you can click this crypto deposit. So if you tap this fiat deposit, you can simply add or you can simply deposit a money here with the help of bank transfer. So this is what it looks like, and you just have to enter an amount here and you can select a payment method. So for example, you're going to deposit this amount through this bank transfers right here. So all you have to do is to click and then continue. So that's it for the fiat deposit. Bank transfers or payment methods depends on your location, country, region. Okay, so to deposit via crypto, you just have to go back and then select crypto deposit. So we have to click back or go to your homepage again. And then what you're going to do is to click this buy crypto again. And then this time you have to locate for crypto. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So select the coin that you wish to put down, choose the coin's chain type and the account type, funding, derivatives, or spot, to which you wish the money to be moved. So you can now proceed and then deposit your funds. Make sure that you have enough or available funds to continue. And select it, make a decision on the transfer of funds to either a spot account, funding account, or derivative account. And then choose the coin's chain type. So if you want us to create another tutorial or if you want us to do another tutorial, please do comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.